Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Ford Transit 2006 to 2013? Wondering which fuse controls what in your van? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Pre-fuse box. The pre-fuse box in the Ford Transit 2006 to 2010 and 2012 to 2013 protects high current circuits like the alternator, starter motor, and main power supply. Standard relay box. The standard relay box in the Ford Transit 2006 to 2010 to 2012 to 2013 controls high-power electrical components like the fuel pump, heater blower, and headlights. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Ford Transit 2006 to 2010 and 2012 to 2013 distributes and protects circuits for interior features like lights, wipers, and central locking. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Ford Transit 2011 manages and protects circuits for interior electrical systems such as lighting, wipers, and power accessories. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Ford Transit 2006 to 2010 and 2012 to 2013 controls and protects key engine and underhood electrical circuits like ignition, cooling fans, and fuel injection. The engine compartment fuse box in the Ford Transit 2011 controls and protects critical engine and underhood electrical circuits, including ignition, cooling fans, and fuel systems.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.